It's definitely a spot to check out and definitely Intense recommended. But what else do we recommend? The Intense 5. Let's go. Sean Kingston not easy at all. He asked the judge to allow him to serve his time at home instead of prison. He claims he's paying back the people he borrowed money from, and he has letters from celebrities vouching for him. So how him never do that for his mother? Cause she's very much in prison. Ah, Sean. Shenseea attended Davido's wedding in a very sexy dress. However, some people came down on her hard, saying the outfit wasn't appropriate for a Nigerian wedding. Now, she wasn't the only guest that dressed sexy, so I don't know why they're going after her. Take a look and tell us what you think. Was it wedding appropriate? Who would have thought Elephant Man would have the song of the summer? Not me. But hey, hold on to your flowers. Pretty Little Baby is climbing the charts. Chris Martin has gotten a day named after him by the city of New York. Chris, that's a big deal. After 20 years in music with great songs, you deserve it. Congratulations! And finally holding the spot this week, you see, before you go out in public, talk to your significant other. Will we kiss for camera or not? Rick Ross learned the hard way after his girlfriend did the Matrix move on him while on the red carpet recently. It never looked good at all. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. There was so much more that happened, but we could only fit 5. Tell us your thoughts on IG at TVJ Intense. Up next, Chuck Star. We're soon forward.